Tuesday's precise and important news.
Hundreds of different ranking officials have returned to the country. The Contact Commission with Afghan personalities says that since the activation of this commission, hundreds of different ranking officials have returned to the country. Ministry of Public Health has built 150 new hospitals in war-affected areas. The Ministry of Public Health says that in the past year it has built around 150 new hospitals in war-affected areas, along with increasing the capacity of some hospitals in the country. 230 saplings planted in the Kartinau Hill. Kabul municipality says that it has planted 230 saplings in Kartinau Hill donated to them by the FCDU office. Afghanistan has made good progress in agriculture in 1401 fiscal year. The Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock says that Afghanistan has made good progress in agriculture in 1401 fiscal year and has earned millions of Afghanis from the export of agricultural products. 1401 fiscal year was full of achievements, says Ministry of Defense. Officials of the Ministry of National Defense say that the year 1401 was full of many achievements in terms of the country's territorial integrity and security. Officials add that the number of the National Army has reached 150,000. ANSA returns imported fuel to Iran due to quality issues. 14 fuel tankers carrying low-quality diesel and petrol were refused entry into Afghanistan and turned back to Iran by the Afghanistan National Standards Authority. Goods worth nearly $2 billion exported in 1401 fiscal year. Ministry of Industry and Commerce says that in the year 1401 it has exported goods worth nearly $2 billion.